Hi, welcome to the most important meditation video for quantum physics, understanding the primary modes in which consciousness operates. So go ahead and get comfortable for now and take a moment to just observe your breathing. And observe your breathing as though for the first time, as though listening and learning from the experience of the breath. And as you close your eyes or choose to rest any way you wish, feel the difference of each of these modes in the body and within your own experience, because each one collapses a different manifestation from the same thing, the same potential. The first is when we react from fear. This collapses a lot of worst case scenarios. It resonates with threatening possibilities. Fear looks for danger, and it finds it in the possibility field when we're focused on it and collapses it into manifestation. This is why it feels like fear comes upon you, because you call it in when you interact with fear. The other way of interacting, and the second way, is desire. When consciousness acts with possibility through wanting, through really needing something that it doesn't have, that energy of not having, of lack, pulls itself or tries to fill itself, and it reinforces the experience of not having the thing we want. This interaction is coded with not having, with absence, so we get what we don't want in this experience. You never collapse the desire, you collapse the experience of desire, which requires the thing to remain absent so you can continue to desire, because you were coming from desire. The third way is expectation based. This is not clear wanting, but expecting. And expecting is interacting from an assumption that you already have the thing, not that you don't have it. When you truly expect something, you don't hope, but you interact as though it's already there, already present, but you can't see it yet. And this collapses what's expected most often, because it's coherent. You're not fragmented, you're not hoping, you're expecting. And the last is open, present interaction. Being aware, being open, not grasping, not fearing. This is when the optimal manifestations emerge. And it's powerful because it doesn't limit what can collapse from possibility, but it allows possibility to organize into whatever manifestation is going to serve the highest alignment. So open, present interaction means you're aware and open. Nothing is, we let go of all grasping in the mind, body, and breath. Releasing fear. And you allow what emerges. Nothing is limited from collapsing in this state. So allow yourself to notice the difference between being an open, present mode of interacting, expectation-based, and then the difference between fear-based and desire-based. And notice where you are so you can always be in a mode that will work for you. If you're in one mode and you want to shift, try shifting to whatever is easiest, expectation or open present, and allow what emerges to be a little more optimal. Thank you. Have a great day.